beautiful people. Today I'm going to just go over a quick preview for Monday, May the 4th for all of you wonderful, wonderful Star Wars fans out there. You get the reference. First thing I need you to do, pretty please, with the cherry on top, is to take attendance. Just mark yourself as present or here or I don't know, whatever you want. But please let me know that you've accessed this material. The next thing is our assignment. And so from about 12 to 1, I don't think it's going to take that long, but from 12 to 1, let's go ahead and do your notes. And then I would like for you to do the assignment for 8.3. It's a circled problems only. You don't need to do the extras on there. The answers and the assignment and everything else is linked on the end of the semester assignment sheet that I've given you. I will be available to Zoom with you from 2 to 3 if you need help on Monday. Appreciate you guys that have been coming in and showing up for help with that. If you're one of those students that kind of like to struggle on your own, that's not my intention for you. I'd love to help you out. So the links for all of these are on the Algebra 2 Honors end of semester assignment that I shared with you all at an earlier time. And so you can find this document on Google Classroom, and this has all of the links that you're going to need in order to do all of the work that you need to do. Okay, hope all is well, and I miss you much. Bye-bye. Try not to sneeze.